Game User Interface UI. Designer, a detailed definition. A game UI designer is a creative professional responsible for crafting the visual and interactive elements that facilitate player interaction within a video game. This encompasses everything from the initial splash screen to in-game menus, inventory systems, and heads-up displays, HUDs. Core responsibilities. Visual design, creating aesthetically pleasing and consistent visual elements, such as buttons, icons, and menus. Interaction design, designing intuitive and efficient user flows to ensure smooth gameplay. Information architecture, organizing game information clearly and logically. Usability testing, gathering and analyzing user feedback to improve UI design. Collaboration, working closely with game designers, artists, and programmers to achieve a cohesive game experience. Key skills: visual design, proficiency in graphic design software, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and color theory. User experience, UX. Design, understanding of user-centered design principles and usability testing methodologies. Interaction design, ability to create intuitive and engaging user interactions. Problem-solving, identifying and resolving design challenges. Communication, effective collaboration with team members. In essence, a game UI designer is a bridge between the player and the game world. Their work directly impacts the overall player experience, making it enjoyable, efficient, and immersive.